Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my December 2024 beauty and lifestyle favourites. So let's get started. I cannot believe it's the end of the year already. This year has just went in like a flash. I cannot believe it. It's literally 2025 pretty soon. Now it is the 22nd of December as I'm filming this. I do tend to pre-film my videos throughout the year. I wanted to get this one done and dusted before the end of the year. It's also distractions video. Horton, I'll let you out now. Literally, dog mum life, proper mum life. There's always someone who wants me or wants our attention. Horton wanted to toilet or wanted out of this room. Noah was playing his playpen and Noah was at our granny and granda's house. So literally, but when all three of them are here, it's literally mommy, mommy, mommy. That's how it feels. But yeah, we'll get into the favourites in a wee minute, but I'm just reflecting on this year a minute. It's been a crazy year. I'm sure for other people too, but for me, since I just welcomed my first proper child into this world, we Noah, in March, it just went in so quick. The pregnancy went in like a blast, literally like a wee rocket. It just literally, we didn't see it going in. And then when he was born and everything, it just went in as fast. I don't know if it's about getting older or it's just about like having your first child, years going faster, but they have to do going faster when you have kids. Everyone says that, and when you have them, it goes in really fast. So yeah, I'm going to get into this favourites video now. I feel like I've been rambling on. I feel like I've not been talking properly, and I'm not feeling the best at the minute. I feel a bit like kind of off in myself. That's why, and it probably shows. But I'm going to go into the favourites. So the lifestyle favourite I have is one. It is Disney Plus. So lifestyle favourite can be like a cleaning product, a food product, a digital product. But Disney Plus has been one of them lifestyle favourites I've been loving this month. I've found some great movies on it and some great originals from back in the day, like XxRevolution, and I found some really great like Disney Channel original movies which I watched as a teenager and in my late childhood. I've just been binge watching them when I can get a chance at night time, and I've had Disney Plus for over a year and I've never got rid of it. So it is really, really good, and you can get like it really cheap for like £6 a month, which is quite good. There is different offers, but we get the cheapest one because even though you get ads on it, but it's only 2 ads, and you watch the rest of the movie or episode as it is. It's no ads in between or anything. It's not like YouTube where you're watching an ad in between a video, which is so annoying. You get the ad start, which is perfect. So yes, I'm going to get into the beauty favourites, but Disney Plus is amazing. So I'll get into the first favourite, which is almost empty. It's a fake tan, as usual. This is a Tropez Violet Ultra Dark Fake Tannin Bronzer Mousse, I believe it's called. Self Tan Ultra Dark Violet Bronzer Mousse, and it's 200ml. I have a review of this and has been in previous favourites videos throughout this year. I think July or June favourites, I believe. One of them too. But this is almost empty and it's my favourite so far fake tannin mousse. The violet colour is beautiful. I've been reaching for this mostly throughout this month. This one or the Sun Kissed Selfie Ready one. I do have the Sun Kissed one on now. The ring light tend to make me look whiter than what I actually am, which is annoying. But this one is really, really good. I love this tan, how deep and dark, especially the guide colour, gets you. And love how long lasting it is. I've been reaching for it when I want like a really dark colour. I wore this going away on holiday. I actually fake tanned myself the day I went on holiday to Albufeira, and this was on my body and it just looked beautiful. And when I went out the following night, it just made my skin look nice and bronze and like violet olive, which it promises, and it looked lovely and ultra dark and just looked amazing. And this tan, it's dear, but it's worth it and I absolutely love it, and I will be getting myself some with Christmas money or whatever, or vouchers. I'm going to buy myself a new bottle because this one is a must-have in my collection. It really, really is. That's why I've had it for 6 months. So I have had it for 6 months. I've been savouring it for special occasions or when I want to be a bit darker, and that's why it's taken me this long to use it up. But I am going to get myself a new bottle and maybe keep that for 6 months. because I want to keep it and preserve it because it's so good. So yeah. Next one is a hair care product. This is a Tresseme heat defense spray. And it is Current Protect Spray. I think there's different versions of this, but this one's a classic. It's been around for absolutely years, maybe even decades. It's been around. It's so good. I remember being around my teens, and I think I bought my first bottle of this when I was like 18 or something like that, or 17, and I've been using it on and off for years. It's only around £3 or £4, but it is so good. That's what it looks like up close. I'm sorry, I've no nails on. Need to do my nails again. Took my false nails off after I came back from holiday. Then I got sick. And then I forgot to do them. I just didn't have the energy to do my nails. And I'm going to do them tonight or tomorrow night, I think. Just to get them done for Christmas. I use stick-on false nails. And just, I think they're just as good as like going and get your nails done. If you want to save a bit of money from getting your nails done in the salon, it's a good way to go. But this, ignore my nails, heat defense spray is really, really good. It just protects my hair against any heat damage, and I'd recommend, if you especially do have colour treated, chemically treated, bleached hair, using a heat protectant. Even if you don't have that type of hair but you like to use a lot of heat products on your hair or heat tools, you do need a heat defense spray, a heat protectant. It's going to save your hair, because heat really does fry your hair. I know you can argue all day long that chemicals fry your hair, they do, but if you can look after your hair the best you can avoid a lot of the damage that comes with chemical and heat styling, and that includes a heat protectant. This one is so cheap and cheerful, and it works just as good as any other ones, and I love it. So onto the makeup. I'm not sure if I had this in my last favourites, but it is the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette. It's the original eyeshadow palette. I've been reaching for this when I want like a nice quick look or a nice smoky look, and it does have some lovely colours. As you can tell on holiday, I did hit pan in that beautiful bronzy colour there, and I will do a couple of swatches because why not. Let me see. That's what it look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're £10 for this palette, and the pigment on this is amazing. And see, for a reach for these for like a daytime look, a smoky look, a glam look, any type of look, this palette will deliver for you. It has all the essential colours plus a few glam ones in there. Oh, is it cracked? Well, I've had it for a few years. I must have actually, it's cracked to stir, but you can't really notice it. But I did have it in the suitcase, that's probably why. But yeah, well, you don't need even notice the crack anyway, so it's fine. It would be more reasonable if it was a £40 palette, but it is £10. Maybe it isn't the most travel friendly, because if it cracks easy like that in the suitcase, then maybe bring the smaller palette. But if it's only £10 and you can justify that, then bringing this, because it has everything you need for travelling. I brought this obviously to Albufeira, and I just had everything I needed for like nice glam looks, everyday looks, just thrown on. Like, these are the colours up close. The pigment is absolutely amazing, and I've had this palette, I would say, for around nearly 3 years now. I did use it to death the first year I had it, and then I kind of forgot about it, and I've been using it on and off now, but I used it like pretty much a lot this month. And if I have it in, or if I do have it in a recent favourites, I apologise for that. So next favourite, which I know I definitely don't have in a recent favourites, it is XxRevolution face palette, and I think this shade is this palette is in the shade Gravitate. Yeah, Gravitate. And I bought this nearly 4 years ago. I brought it to see, bought it, love, not brought it. Honestly, Brookelynne speak proper English. But there we go again. I bought it for my wedding makeup. See, like, I wanted to try different makeup for my wedding nearly 4 years ago, which is nuts. It does come with a shield, which I still keep on it. And has a wee mirror. Has a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer, which I have all on now, and the colours look amazing. Now, this one is the medium skin tone palette, so it is got quite a deep bronzer, which I do like, because I like to really sculpt out my face. I feel like I have a bit of a moon face, so I need a lot of sculpture to my face. And I love a bit of payoff on the cheeks. Don't like anything too wishy-washy. And love a nice highlighter isn't too like deep. It's like a nice, it's like a champagne colour, so it's beautiful. And this has such good payoff. I think this cost me maybe around £18 at the time. So it is dear for Revolution, but bear in mind the XxRevolution range is the more high-end version of Makeup Revolution. So yeah, I did order this like 4 years ago nearly. I do have a video on it from when I first bought it. And I've reached for this, I just packed it for my holiday. Because I was thinking what would be really, really nice for me to have on my holiday. And I was thinking this, I just reached for it in the drawer and it came out. And I was like, I've never touched this in years, I've been meaning to. And then I swatched it and I was like, do you know what, Brookelynne, just bring it along with you. You may fall back in love with it. Because I hardly ever touched it for years. A waste, honestly, because it's such good. The quality is amazing on this. The blendability, the pigmentation, absolutely amazing. Now the blush can look a bit disco-y the first few uses, but I think once the overspray comes off, it'll look more kind of corally and more natural. It does have that like violet pigment to it, but I think as time goes on, as I'm wearing it more, that's going to wear away and it's going to give me that beautiful corally look to my cheeks pretty much. So I did find that's what put me off at the start. I did find when I used it the first time, it was very kind of, you know, I love a bit of shimmer in my blush and my highlight, but I found it was very kind of violet. And yeah, violet blush is nice now and again, but I just found for a chilled coral in the pan, I found that a bit disappointing. But sorry, I just took a drink there. But I found I wanted a coral blush, so I was disappointed it was violet, but I should have realised that was an overspray, not the actual colour, I don't think. But as I'm wearing it more and more, it's not going as violet, which is quite good. Nothing wrong with violet blush. The violet blush is beautiful, but I wanted a coral blush. That's why I bought a coral blush in the face palette, if that makes sense. So I've got 2 makeup favourites left, I believe. Yes. This is it's Essence Lash Princess, and it is the Curl Volume, and I think it is, what's that one? I cannot read that, but it's a Curling Volume. It's the pink one. This is Essence Lash Princess Curling Volume. It's beautiful pink and black packaging. I bought this in Albufeira in a chemist beauty shop that had one of them in their main shopping centres. I've seen Essence, because we can get Essence over here, but it's not really widely like available in stores. So I was like, here, all the Lash Princess mascaras are all out in the stand. So I picked up this one because obviously it's pink and black, but also because it says curling volumized, which I love. I have it on now, one coat, and it does give you seriously black curled voluminous lashes. The wand, it's like this, it kind of has like a slight hourglass finish to it, feel to it, and it is really good for like really curling them lashes. So I absolutely love it. I've been reaching for it mostly this month since I went to Albufeira, and it is so good. So good. Even two coats gives you false lash effect. 3 coats even more. 1 coat gives you a natural full look, and how black this mascara is, I absolutely love. If you're looking for a cheap but really good mascara, I'd give this a go. This is even better than a lot of the W7 mascaras I find. Now I have found some good W7 mascaras, but this one is like first try of an Estée mascara in absolute years. This is actually a lot better than a lot of like the cheaper mascaras. I haven't proper filmed in ages, and you can tell I just sound so rusty. Even though I haven't filmed like properly for like a couple of weeks, I sound like I haven't filmed a video in my life. Honestly, it's that bad. Even though I filmed a video earlier on, I have to edit that, literally. So the last favourite is a Kylie lip kit. Guys, I finally got hold of a Kylie lip kit. I actually got two. Lovely husband got me the coral shade. This one is the bright pink, which I have on now. And it is in Say No More. This colour is very similar to Gerard Cosmetics Coachella and also Maybelline Romantic, which I have. I used to have the Coachella shade, but then I ran out of it, and then I stopped doing Gerard Cosmetics in the UK, which I'm sad about. I still am kind of an affiliate to their company, but I don't really get PR anymore because I stopped doing PR for anyone outside of the US, which is understandable. But I do love their products, but Kylie lip kit is actually quite good. I'm wearing it now. I've been reaching for a nice pink, and I do think it does give me them Gerard Cosmetics Coachella vibes. Should I swatch it beside my Maybelline Romantic lip colour? I think I will. It does come with a lip liner and a lip kit. Lip liner and liquid lipstick. The lip liner is quite good. Now, I have lined lips with it a couple times, as you can tell, but it does give me good precision, and I love the way it's like really nice and colour coordinated. The box is kind of squashed because I had it in my airport handbag, and the other one squashed too because I had it in my makeup bag, and everything got squashed there, which is always happens. And then look how bright pink that is. Like, I love the design on that, like, liquid lipstick. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna grab a Maybelline one now. Now, doesn't the Kylie, hang on, you can't even see the Maybelline one. Doesn't the Kylie one actually give you more of a brighter vibe? I don't know if it's me. Which one do you think's brighter? Right, I will do a wee swatch. Good luck of me getting this off my hand tomorrow or tonight, because I don't think I'll be able to. Right. That's the Kylie one, which is really, really bright. It's like Coachella. These are, I bet you, it's going to be the same colour. I bet you. Here, they're actually slightly different. Here, the Kylie one's brighter. But they are really, really similar, aren't they? The Maybelline one's slightly darker, maybe slightly warmer, but they're pretty much the same colour. But I absolutely love it because this one does remind me closer to the Gerard Cosmetics Coachella than the Maybelline one, even though the Maybelline one is a good dupe of it. But this one just has that slight touch of brightness above the Maybelline one, which gives Coachella vibes, which I absolutely love. And I have it on my lips now, and I love a good bright pink lip. So that's the end of my favourites video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye. Oh my goodness, I just had a cough there. Bye.